Taekwondo family, Master Starnes here with a video on how to do your front kick. So we're going to start off in the fighting stance. And from there, the first part of the front kick is going to be the knee raising. So you lifting up your back leg, bringing it straight up here, switching on the upper body like we practiced in the previous video. When you do a front kick, you're going to extend from the knee to the ankle. So from here, we're going to extend from the knee to the ankle, extending out, bending back, and then bring it back again. So you have to make sure that the knee stays in place when you extend and return, as opposed to extending your leg, extending out from the knee to the ankle, and then dropping your leg down and then pulling back like this. You don't want to do that. You want to keep your knee in one spot. So you have to really practice a lot. Don't try to kick over your natural height that you can kick. If you want to improve the height of your kick, stretch more. Okay, so to practice your moves, you got to practice them correctly so that way they stay instinctually correct if you need to use them when you're doing your sparring, or just by chance if you need to protect yourself, or whenever you're not practicing. So you're going to bring your back leg up, extend and return. So there's two ways that you can hit with your foot. You can hit with the ball of your foot, or you can hit with the top of your instep. Okay? So if you're hitting things that are very hard and strong, you're going to flex your toes back, and then you're going to hit with the ball of the foot. Okay, so the toes come back, and you hit with that part. So just this part goes like this, and you flex your toes back just like that. Or you can point your toes like this. That's for hitting like self-defense, hitting to the groin or under the chin, like that. But if you're hitting like the body or the knees or something, you're going to hit with the ball of your foot. And for breaking, we always use the ball of the foot. So front kick again, back leg, knee up. Try the other leg. Yeah! You kick. As soon as you hit your peak point, make a loud scream every time. Okay? Yeah! Really strong. And then from straight forward. Practice a lot. Enjoy your training. Have a lot of fun. Hey, Spirit Taekwondo fam. I realized that there was one thing I wanted to mention more about our kicks for front kicks, is that you can hit different levels. So when we practice, there's low, there's middle, there's high. Right? So obviously you can kick any level when you're hitting something. But when you practice, you need to have specific levels so you can practice and you can improve your precision. So low is knee level. So you hit the knee, your foot should end exactly where your knee height is. The second is the middle, which is the solar plexus, and the third is high, which is going to be your philtrum. And when you kick, don't kick like along your shoulders, just like when we do with the punching, we're going to kick in the middle line of our body, which is going to be the spine. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then for fun, you can just, I'm going to try as high as I can. Go up. You keep practicing to improve your height and make your kicks really, 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 really high. All right? Have fun, train hard, and thanks again. I'll merge these two videos together. You can watch it. See you in class.